In this video, we'll walk you through how to unbox your E-VLT connector case and label the case for your leak testing needs. Your E-VLT connector case will arrive packaged on a pallet. Simply lift the box up and off the E-VLT connector case. Inside, between the handle and the case itself, you'll find the packaged connector case top. Remove it and install by placing it on top of the case and locking the red caps. To open the top compartment, unlock the left and right latches. This compartment will hold your E-VLT pistol, along with your master lead, additional connector O-rings, and more. Each unit includes a sticker sheet with pre-printed labels for every connector, so technicians always know where things go. No memorization needed. Lock or unlock any drawer by sliding the red locking mechanism. All connectors are pre-placed into their specific slots in the first and second drawers, with each cavity custom shaped for a secure fit. The bottom two drawers provide extra storage depending on your leak tester configuration. Remove the packaging tape holding the connectors in place. Now that your E-VLT connector case is unboxed, you can begin preparing it for use. Use the provided sticker sheet located in the top compartment to label each connector insert. Apply the labels flat, pressing firmly from the center outward. If you misplace a label, it can easily be removed and reapplied. Mount your E-VLT to the connector case by inserting the legs in the designated spaces and closing the red locks. To move the case, extend the arms and tilt the unit back onto its wheels. You can choose to safely store your E-VLT in the bottom compartment of the case if not in use. To access the bottom compartment, release the lower latches on the left and right side of the case. With two people, lift the top portion of the connector case off. You can also use just the bottom compartment by detaching its lid. Do this by unlocking the red locks on both sides. This bottom compartment can now be used for transporting and storing your E-VLT unit. Your E-VLT connector kit is now organized, labeled, and ready for accurate, efficient leak testing.